Bedroq Capture, a fully managed service to detect, deter, and disrupt criminal activities. Our goal is to streamline law enforcement procedures and empower officers to focus on what truly matters: policing and safeguarding the community, while letting Bedroq handle the technology. As ANPR managers, you may be dealing with something that looks like this: a different service provider with their own service manager, procurement routes, and overheads for each of the core parts of your ANPR system. If you partner with Bedroq, then our fully managed service will remove that headache. One agreed overhead, one point of contact, one streamlined and scalable service that can flex up or down depending on your requirements. Bedroq Capture is a fully managed service, which is rapidly deployable and takes care of everything, from the physical installation of cameras to the back office facility and video management system through secure networking. Freeing up officers' time to actively follow up on leads can have a huge operational impact. But what does this really mean for you? Simply put, Bedroq Capture will allow you to focus officers' time where it matters, speeding up response times and reducing crime rates. Bedroq Capture will improve your flexibility, free up officers' time, save money, and improve the way in which you work. Bedroq Capture for ANPR maximizes police capabilities to drive down crime.